through your nose and out through your mouth. Now keep breathing as we begin to move the hips in a circle from right to front to left and back. Moving side, front, side, back, side, front, side, back, and then reverse it. Good. Reverse it one more time. And last time, reverse it. Then come back to center. Turn your toes out wide. Inhale, send the fingertips up towards the sky. Exhale, bend the knees, deep plie here. Keep the arms up for now. Inhale, extend, star pose. Exhale, bend the knees. No experience necessary here. We just need you to be here now for a little stress release, a little letting go of tension, and a little coming back to oneself. So we're just stepping lightly here, side to side, a little bit of movement, a little bit of breath, some yoga together. All right. Now we're going to start to swing the arms a little side to side. Think of your arms like noodle arms here, letting go of any stress or tension, things that have been bothering you, weighing on you. Let it go. All right, now we're going to ground and quiet down. So bring the feet wide, bring the hands to the waistline. Take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Good. Inhale.